How frickin' sick is this? A quick recap on the present my amazing girlfriend got me. Let's get into it.
Archer Tower, good afternoon. Uniform Kilo Romeo 28 right, Alpha 11, we are ready. Airspeed's alive, the annunciators are all clear, the engine temperatures and pressures are good, the EGT is 610 and the vibrations are 0, mate, so we're all good to go. At 100 knots, we raise the nose, and we are airborne. There's the wheels coming up.
28 right, Bravo Charlie Delta.
There's the flaps coming up. And away we go.
Bravo Hotel Kilo.
Just going to go up to 2,500 feet. That's 3.5 G right there.
Sweet.
How'd that feel?
Yeah, you can definitely feel the difference.
You can, can't you?
Yeah, it feels awesome. I love it.
I'm going to descend and talk to air traffic control, and I'll be back with you, mate. There's 280 knots. Power's coming up. We're up over some high ground. That's the best way to go over it.
So good.
Back down the other side. Okay, up we go. Nice and easy.
Sweet, no problem. Monitor me this one. I'll have something for you a bit closer in.
Let's get the nose nice and high.
Where's the Shadow Alpha Yankee passing 3,500?
And then once we get it high, we just roll the aeroplane into the left.
Terminate. There's no IFR traffic and nothing observed in the circuit at Caboolture.
Alpha Yankee.
It's so cool.
And then recover back to wings level. It's good, isn't it?
So good.
Okay. And we'll do one to the right. Up we go, nice and easy.
Oh, it's so crazy.
It's good, isn't it?
Oh, it's amazing.
Okay, now we're going to set up and do this loop, right? So, 3.5 G's all we need.